Hey, Noise, look under there.
Under where?
Haha, made you say under. I look like you, and you look like me.
No, you want you look like him.
Motherfucker, he looks like me.
It's the Noise!
Won't you copy my Italian accent?
What? No, I'm not.
Yes, you are, you son of a bitch.
Let's say hypothermically.
I am the black horse cutout with a crunchy chocolate base, multiple layers of highlight, and glossy cocoa finish.
I am the noise, 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 I am
the noise.
Shut up! You're not supposed to be here! Hey, Italian man! Is your fridge running?
No. Actually, why?
Bruh. I fell down the stairs. Ah! Hey, Italian man! Stack one pizza on another, there's two pizzas. But if you stack one lasagna on another, there's only one lasagna. Hey, what is this dumbass robot? Ew, wait a minute, this guy's a bitch. I am the noise, I am the noise, I am the noise, I am the noise,
Is that what you say? You've been screaming for the past 5 minutes! Shut up, please!
Being Italian man. I have a little bottle of mud for you.
Peppino, I took your pizza recipe. Peppino pizza, the finest pizza in the whole wide world. This contains fresh dough, fresh sauce, fresh cheese, no pineapple, any color you want to. You can choose anything on your pizza. If you really want to do anything on pizza, put it in the oven. If you want to topping, you bake it in the oven or air fryer, then basically your entire pizza. The Peppino pizza is the best pizza ever. It's the main time for pizza. Shut up!